Today on RJ's Food Rocks, I'm making Korean corn cheese. This is one of my favorite new snacks to make at home. Wow! So I'm starting by blanching some frozen corn, and then once that's done, I'm mixing it with diced red bell peppers and green onions. Once you have this all mixed up, I'm just adding probably about half a cup of Japanese mayonnaise, tablespoon of sugar, tablespoon of gochujang, and pepper. I am putting this in a little pot with some butter and then putting on sliced mozzarella cheese on top. If you have shredded mozzarella, go ahead and mix that in too. You're just letting that melt, and then I'm adding some spice and green onion. Ugh, so good. Look at that cheesy pull. Delish.
Sweet with a kick.
This is something you're gonna want to make every night now. Enjoy!